Welcome to the Angry Whale Zine Awards, where first place gets you $200. There's no entry fee, and international entries are encouraged. The deadline is September 1st, 2025, and a link to enter is in the description. Let's take a look at our first two entries for this year's contest. Brooklyn Girls Fight Club from Stella Zine and photographed by Jeanette Beckman is 28 pages with black and white images and some yellow spot color. This photo zine, not surprisingly, looks at bare-knuckle brawling for money and rep in Brooklyn, New York. At the bottom of the title page it reads, "No biting, scratching, hair pulling, and no weapons." If you've published a photo zine in the last 18 months, fill out the form linked and send it to my P.O. Box in South Carolina. All entries will be included in the Angry Whale photo zine collection, and first place receives $200, a trophy, and a mega pack of custom buttons I've made. Second and third places get certificates and button packs. That said, let's look at the second entry. Off-Grid and Analog Volume 1 by Chris McClathy, coming at us from the great state of Texas. This photo zine looks at the town of Tucumcari, New Mexico, home of the New Mexico Route 66 Museum. If you've been thinking about making a photo zine but not sure where to start, I've linked 2 videos in the description, and then send them my way.